News 46. Local coverage you can count on.
Have you ever been to a pharmacy and felt they just didn't care about whether or not you were taken care of? At Family Pharmacy, we care about you and your needs and do everything within our power to be sure your doctor's orders for medication are taken care of, including compounding. And that's why we've added free pharmaceutical delivery. And now we're pleased to add free medical supply delivery. That's right, free medical supply delivery right to your door in Pahrump. Family Pharmacy is where our family cares about you and yours. Call 775-751-1144.
Friday was the last day that you could apply to become a candidate for Justice of the Peace here at the Nye County Courthouse. We are going to speak to one of the candidates, Nevada Highway Patrol Trooper Pat Walker.
Yes, I signed up last week. I believe it was on Wednesday of last week, and made myself an official candidate for that seat.
There you go. Who are we running against in this?
To my knowledge, I believe there's 6 in the field of candidates. Ron Kent, and I hope I don't hurt his name, Louis DeCanio, Charlie Watkins, Mike Foley, and I believe Tom Britting. And I'm not sure, I don't know who he is. I know of the other candidates, but I think that's it, and myself, of course.
You yourself as a Nevada Highway Patrol Trooper.
Yes, that's what I do for a living, yes.
And so you're going to be giving up your position as a trooper to go for this if you are in fact elected?
Yes, that is true. If I am fortunate enough that people find me worthy and I'm elected to the seat, then yes, I would retire at about 21 years of service.
Let's talk a little bit about your history and your years of service as a trooper.
I started out in 1992. I went through the academy and became a rural trooper at that time in Alamo, Nevada, up in Lincoln County. I served up there approximately 6 years. After that, I transferred up to Hawthorne and worked in the Hawthorne, Mineral County, Lyon County, Yerington areas, Schurz. After that, I came back and went to work in Las Vegas in the urban traffic, where I had got a lot more accident investigation put to use. And then after that, I came out here, and I've been out here, will be 5 years in this next 1 July.
What prompted you to want to run for this seat?
You know, I've been in law enforcement one way or the other ever since 1978. I started out my career in the Air Force as a security police officer. My family has a great background in law enforcement. I see the things I can do as a police officer, and then at the same time, I know what I believe I can do as a judge. To be honest, I've never really considered running for a sheriff's position, but I have always thought about going into the judicial. Of course, in counties under 100,000, you don't have to have the law degrees or be a lawyer to do that. And so I see where Tina is retiring. You don't have the incumbent. I figured this would be a good time. I believe Charles Watkins kind of said the same thing. This is a good time. You're all starting out equal.
And what do you hope to do in that seat?
Well, the same thing I bring to my law enforcement experiences: fairness, a sense of responsibility, and to make the kind of decisions that people would like. You know, you're the mediator between the accused and what the law says, and hopefully bring some common sense to what needs to be done to get these people through their trying times.
How can people find out more about you? Do you have a website right now for your candidacy, or a phone number? Yes,
there's going to be a website. It's getting set. In fact, I got the appointment tomorrow. I'm working on getting my signs, all my cards, flyers, different things, the different accoutrements that go with running set up tomorrow. I'll put that out. Hopefully I'll get that to the media as soon as I can and out to the public. But I'm still taking the baby steps, trying to get ready.
This is Deanna O'Donnell for News 46.